How does the NCAA punish recruiting violations? Imagine a game where fairness is everything and rules are meant to keep the playing field level. When those rules are broken, the NCAA steps in to set things right. The National Collegiate Athletic Association enforces strict penalties to keep college sports honest. If a school or coach breaks recruiting rules, the NCAA has a toolkit of punishments ready. These sanctions are designed to discourage cheating and protect athlete rights. They also help maintain the integrity of college sports. The penalties can be quite serious. Schools might face financial fines, which can be a big chunk of their athletic budget. For example, fines can range from tens of thousands of dollars to amounts based on lost revenue or scholarships. The NCAA can also put a school on probation for several years. During this time, the program must show it is following the rules and may be watched more closely. Recruiting restrictions are common punishments. Schools might be limited on how many official visits they can offer players or banned from recruiting communications for a certain period. They may also face restrictions on unofficial visits or have fewer days staff can spend recruiting off campus. These limits make it harder for schools to attract top athletes during the probation period. Scholarship reductions are another way the NCAA enforces rules. A school might lose a certain number of scholarships for upcoming seasons. This directly affects how many athletes they can bring in, which can impact team strength. Coaches involved in violations could also face suspensions from recruiting or coaching. Sometimes, the NCAA issues a show-cause order, which makes it difficult for the coach to find employment in college sports during the penalty period. In some cases, the NCAA requires a program to vacate wins or championships earned while recruiting violations were happening. This means those victories are erased from official records. Public reprimands and censures are also common, signaling that the NCAA takes violations seriously. From a legal point of view, these punishments serve to uphold fair competition and protect athlete rights. The NCAA investigates violations through hearings and negotiations, following due process. Schools often cooperate to reduce penalties, but if they don't, sanctions can be harsher. In real life, these punishments lead programs to change their recruiting strategies. Coaches become more cautious, and athletic departments strengthen compliance systems. These penalties can also affect athletes and fans, as scholarship cuts or postseason bans might hurt team morale and chances to compete. Overall, the NCAA's approach to punishing recruiting violations is about keeping college sports fair and honest. The penalties are tailored to each situation, balancing the need to deter rule-breaking with fairness for the involved schools and athletes.